Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use or activate shields on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with the basic tutorial levels or log into your previous saved game. Once you are logged in and you have access to the home page, you will see various different options within the home menu. Now if you wish to activate a shield for your kingdom, then simply tap on the upgrade icon at the right side of the screen. You will now see the turf defenses option where you will find a shield. You can simply tap on the option at the right side, and now you will see the option to buy and use a shield by spending your gems. You can simply tap on your preferred shield, which has varying duration of days. Once you choose your option, it will be activated right away after your gems are deducted from your account. And now the shield will be activated for the duration that it is displayed, and your kingdom will be safe from threats. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate shields within the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.